Hello everybody, welcome to the fifth tutorial or part 5. Today we're going to go over interacting with Nebulas. So to do that, let's scroll down here. This link will be under this video. Scroll down, go to HTTP access, and this is what we're going to play with today. So first things first, let's open up a terminal. Okay, we got a terminal open. We need to go into our root directory where our project is. So go to location of your directory. If you copied me, great. Then let's do that. Okay, once we're here, we're now in the root directory. We want to start our neb. Once we have that started, you'll see this. You should be used to this by now. Now what we need to do is open up another terminal. For me, I just hit Control D, but your terminal is going to be different than mine. So now what we want to do is scroll down a bit, and we'll see this HTTP example. And what this does is gets node info. So let's copy this command. Let's make some room here for the terminal. There you go. Paste that in our terminal. We see that we have an ID, and so this is exactly what we wanted. You can compare it to this. So the results are true. We're getting the results we want. What about accounts? Let's play with this command. Copy that, paste it in here. You'll see all the accounts. So here it just gives us a few examples. Account state. Copy that, paste that in. It's showing us 00 because it's getting the count of this address, and this address currently has no balance to it. If you wanted to check your address that you created and that you would have some balance to, you would insert your address here, not this example address. And here you have unlock account. Use the password to unlock. So use your password to unlock the account that you created. Alright, so we have transaction, ability to make a transaction. What this will do is you would put in a from address and a to address with a value and these values as well, and that would produce a TX hash. So let's go ahead and try that. It says key not unlocked. What this means is we didn't unlock the to address. So if we wanted to use this, we would have to unlock this address here. So let's do that now. Let's unlock that address. So copy this. Here, let me make this bigger for you so you guys can see it. Copy this command. What we need to do here is delete this address, alright, the example address. Okay, copy this address, paste it in. Okay, now we can hit enter. Now what we see is result is true, which means it is now unlocked. So now we can go back to this transaction. I mean, this we're trying to make a transaction here. Copy paste that. Key not unlocked. So we might have to unlock two. We might have to unlock the from as well. So let's go back. Let's use this command. Let's remove the example address. Let's copy this address and paste it in. Hit enter. You see true, it is now unlocked. Let's go back here and let's use this. Now you see that we have a TX hash. Okay? So that means the transaction happened. So let's get a transaction receipt. Let's see how that works. So here we're going to place our hash that we just created. See? We're going to place our hash inside this function, this command. So copy that, yours. Delete this example address, paste, hit enter. Okay, now you see that we have the result, which is similar to this, shows it works. So that's our tutorial. I showed you how to play around with Nebulas. Now you know how to use the API. It goes more into detail here. This was just a quick tutorial to show you how it's done. Next, we're going to be connecting to testnet in the next tutorial. So see you then.